Welcome to Oma's Academy. In this video, I'll be teaching you the right way to upload a YouTube video so that you can optimize your views and gain more subscribers. Let's go. So open your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, okay? This three dot line up there, click on it. Then you set your phone to desktop site. That is, if you are using phone and you're not using your laptop to upload, you set it to desktop site. Then on this search bar, you're going to type studio.youtube.com. Studio.youtube.com, and then click on search. So this is our YouTube studio. This is how it looks. So are you seeing this create up here? When you click on create, you see upload video. Then click on this upload videos. Then click on select files. This select files here. You can click on select files, or you can click inside this box, this arrow pointing up, anyone. And then when you click on select files, it will now take you to your gallery, where you will now select the video that you want to upload. Okay, so this is me now. I want to select one of the videos I want to upload. So when you select the video you want to upload, you now allow, you see it's uploading, so you now allow it to upload. So the first thing you will see is title required. This is where you are going to write the title of your video. Just make it simple, okay? Make it simple. Then under here is description. This is where you are going to tell us about the video, about your video. Just maybe 2 or 3 lines is okay. Then your thumbnail, you upload your thumbnail. By now you must have designed your thumbnail using Canva. I use Canva. So if you don't have Canva, go and download Canva. I use Canva to design my thumbnails. So this is where you're going to upload your thumbnails. Okay. Then playlist, just don't pay attention to that. Under audience, they ask is this video made for kids? If your video is not about kids, you select no, it's not made for kids. If it's about kids, you said yes, it's made for kids. Then you click on show more. Paid promotion, if a company paid you to promote their business and then you attached their product to your video, maybe in the middle of your video you attach their products in your video, that is when you will select paid promotion. But if there is nothing like promotion, nobody paid you to promote their products or anything, please leave it like that. Authored content, do any of the following describes your content? Just select no. Then collaboration, if you have other channel that you want to collaborate with, this is where you can invite it. Then you click on invite a collaborator. Okay. Automatic chapter, all these ones are not necessary, so you can just skip it. Let's talk about alt tags. This alt tag is very, very important. So alt tag is just like SEO, search engine optimization, or a keyword. So this is where you're going to add those words, like you're going to add a tag that relates to your video. When people come on YouTube to search for certain things, they're going to type something. Maybe I want to search about how to run sponsored adverts. So now on the search bar, I am typing how to run sponsored advert. So now if your video is about how to run sponsored advert, so what you need to do now is this your tag. You're going to write sponsored advert, Facebook advert, how to run sponsored advert. So these tags helps to optimize your video very well. So that is why when adding your tags, you need to know the kind of keywords to choose. Let me show you an example. Okay, now these are keywords. These are tags. All these things you are seeing here now are tags. Let's say that your own title is how to get your watch hour, how to get your 4,000 watch hour in 7 days. So now these are the tags for it. If you read it, YouTube growth, grow on YouTube, how to go viral on YouTube, how to win on YouTube. You see, how to get views on YouTube. So now you can see that these tags now, these tags are related to this title. How to get your 4,000 watch hour in 7 days. How to get your 4,000 watch hour in 7 days is all about getting views, growth, fast views. So if you check the tags now, you can see that my tags are related to the title. So the next one is video language. You select English. Caption certificate, leave it. Recording dates, leave it. License is under standard YouTube license. So this allow video remixing is your choice. If you want them to remix your video, fine. Category, if your video is about education, you select education. If it's about entertainment, you select entertainment. If it's about styling and the rest, you select that. So go through it and know your niche and then select the category under your niche. So that's about it. So after that now, you click on next. So you scroll, see it by if you move by your right hand, you see this next, click on next. So when you click on next, you see add related video, or you see under your add card. So what it means that if there is any other video that you want to boost under your video, that is if your video finish playing and you want other ones to come up, this is where you're going to click on add and then select the video. Okay, you now select the video, which after that you click on next. So after that, this initial check, this is where YouTube will check whether your video has copyright issue or whether the video violated community guidelines. If everything is okay, they will check it. You will see a green tick. If you see a green tick by this side, that means your video is safe. But if it's not following the community guidelines, they will notify you. All you have to do is to delete it. So which after that now you click on next. So this is the last part, visibility check. So if you want to publish your video immediately, you click on public and publish it immediately. But if you want to schedule, you click on this schedule here and then select the date and the day you want your video to be scheduled. Okay, so that's all about this visibility. You can only select private or unlisted if maybe you don't want to publish the video immediately. If you don't want to publish it immediately, you still want to come back and do some editing. But if you want to publish it immediately, click on public. If you want to schedule, here you click on this schedule here and then select schedule it to the day and the date you want the video to be visible to the public. Okay, so this is the right way to post. This is the right way to upload your video. Advise you now, if you want to make it on YouTube, try at least for your video to be from 10 minutes upward. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's training. Please do where to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much as you do so.